take off. Hi guys, this is Premster14 and today I'm going to be driving this Mercedes-AMG C63s. And just look at the way this thing looks. The entire car is de-chromed and all the badges are blacked out. What a stance this thing is. Look at the fenders right here which have come out. Amazing. Right now it's going to be a cold start. This car has Capristo exhaust, so I'm quite excited to see how it sounds. Ignition on. We'll put it to Sports Plus mode so the exhausts also open up, and let's fire this thing up. Take it out for a spin. Have a look at the inside, and my eyes straight go on this custom steering wheel. You can see a custom W205 steering wheel, and it's got carbon inlays and red stitching to match the seats. Let's sit inside. Wow, I mean, just look at the way this thing looks inside. You can see an overload of carbon fiber. You have an IWC clock right there, and the inside of that is also carbon fiber, as you can see. All the fun is right here. So you have the dynamic select. So the different modes you have is individual, you have comfort, sports, sports plus, and race. Wow. Right here you have your adjustment for your dampening. This is suicide mode where you can just turn off the traction control, which I would not suggest at all. This is where you want to customize your gearbox. So if you want to change automatically or you want it to be changed manually with the help of these paddle shifters. This is the exhaust button. So this is a Valvetronic exhaust. So right now it's on, and this is a silent mode, and I turn it on again. Turn it off again. Inside also you get a panoramic sunroof. Steering wheel, it's a custom steering wheel. It's got the upgraded W205 steering wheel, and it's got the carbon fiber inlays in this. So yeah, I'm quite excited. We'll start it off on comfort mode. So it is the C200 mode. The torque is just instant, guys. It's on comfort mode. Let's put it to sports plus. The valves have just opened up. The pops and crackles, it is the characteristics of an AMG. I mean, I've put the dampening on comfort mode because it gets the AMG driving dynamics in this C63, so I can have the gearbox and the engine in sports plus, whereas the suspension is on comfort. So you can say it's an individual mode. It drives as simple as a C-Class, but the difference is it's got a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine under the hood, and all the power goes to the rear wheels. So a stock C63 AMG came with a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine that produced about 503 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. But this car right here, it has a Rentec Stage 1 tune, and now it pushes about 610 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque, and all that power goes to the rear wheels. So when you put your foot down, all you can feel is the rear tires are just begging for traction, and you can see the traction light blinking continuously. First gear, second gear, third gear. guys. Complete monster. I guess Diwali came early. And I think we can launch it now. The tail just keeps swinging. What a beast, guys. This is a definition of a sleeper. Non-car enthusiasts might think this is a regular C-Class. I won't talk for a while and I'll just let you guys hear the exhaust. What a car. Wow. I was a M fan, but after driving the C63 AMG, I might have to rethink or maybe drive a M car really soon. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this small video. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.